Oh no!
Oh, hello, yeah!
Oh hell no!
Let's do this.
Oh hell no!
Oops.
That was easy. Hello there.
Hey, what happened?
You're gonna die, clown!
Come here!
Are you stupid or something?
I will kill you.
You must die!
Where are you going? Oh, hi, Mark.
What the fuck was that?
Boom.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
You stupid.
I can't believe you've done this.
You're not going anywhere!
I'm 11, so shut up.
Oh, come on.
Boom.
You stupid.
What are you doing?
Are you stupid or something?
Let's do this.
Would you like to see the magic train?
Oh no!
What the fuck was that?
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
What are you doing?
You stupid.
I will kill you.
Haha!
Boom.
Oh, hi, Mark.
My name is Jeff.
Do it. Okay.
Get over here!
Hello there.
Wait, that's illegal.
What the fuck was that?
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Let's do this.
Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
I'm coming for you! You must die! Get over here!
That's suspicious. That's weird.
No, don't do it! No!
Boom.
You're gonna die, clown!
Come here!
Yeah, boy. Where are you?
Let's do this.
Here we go!
I can't believe you've done this.
Let's do this.
Look at this dude.
Hello there.
No. You stupid.
No!
Yes.
No, don't do it!
Oh no!
I will kill you.
Nope.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Okay.
What did you say?
You're gonna die, clown!
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Where are you going?
Boom.
Yo, holy shit, he dead!
Hi.
Would you like to see a magic trick? Oh, come on.
Get over here!
Me. Help me.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
You stupid.
Nope.
What are you doing? The mailbox!
Yeah, boy.
Let's do this.
I can't believe what we're seeing.
Hello there. My name's Jeff.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
What are you doing?
Okay, I'll stay here.
Boom. Nope.
You stupid.
Not today.
What are you doing?
Careful, Ben.
Bye. Have a great time.
You must die!
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
What the fuck was that?
So, like and subscribe, go to the notifications, and smash that like bell, and
Oh, hell no!
Boom. Abutala bashuneba.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Wait, that's illegal.
The mailbox! Get over here!
Nope. Boom.
You stupid.
Hello there.
Let's do this.
What the fuck was that?
Abutala bashuneba.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We're friends to the end. Okay.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh no!
Yeah, boy. Hello there.
Hi. Bye. Have a great time.
The mailbox!
Leave me alone.
Nope.
You stupid.
We're friends to the end. Remember?
Okay. Let's do this.
What the fuck was that?
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yes.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, come on.